Hi everyone, today I'll be demonstrating how to peel beans easily using a blender. Here I have 2 cups of black-eyed pea which I'll pour into the blender and add water that will double the height of the beans in the blender. And then we'll add water to it. And then let it sit for like 15 minutes to soften up the shaft. So after 15 minutes, the outer part of the beans should have softened for us to work with. Because we want the outer part, that is the shaft, to soften and not the beans itself. So after about 15 minutes, it should have softened enough for us to work with. So now we'll be using the pause button for like 4 or 5 times and it will be ready. But if you don't have a pause button on your blender, just turn it to speed 1, turn it off, turn it on to speed 1 again, and do this for like 5 times. It should be ready to use. So now let's get started. And now our beans is ready. So now we pour it into a bowl and let it stand again for like 2 to 3 minutes before we move over to our sink. So now at the sink we put in a sieve and then we rub our beans for like 2 to 3 minutes again, just to pull up the outer part of the beans from the main one needed. Then open water into it. So this is what I do to get rid of the outer part. While adding water and still moving around the beans, just pour it into the sieve immediately and then stop. Rub it again. And then turn on the water. And then sieve it. Now we can see all the outer part is almost gone. So with 2 more water and straining it off, we should be done with our beans. At times you could just see some few beans still proving stubborn to be peeled. You can just play around with it with your hand for some minutes. And then put in water again. And now almost all the outer part is gone. You can see it is well peeled and it is not broken despite using a blender. So now our beans is ready, and as you can see, it's shaft free. So if you are using it for either moi moi or akara, all you have to do is just put some water into it and let it sit around until it's soft enough for you to use. Just pour it into the blender, add all the necessary things. So just give this a try. You can see it is stress-free and very fast. So any comments, just drop it below, or any questions, and I'll be there to respond very fast. Thank you for watching my video. Expect more recipe from me. Thank you.